Hey guys, welcome to Kanni's classes Concept Simplified just for you. This is 10 MCQ series. இது Kanni's classes ஒரு new series and this series is exclusively for NET JRF aspirants. So if you are preparing for your NET JRF home science exams and looking for a good study source, then this series is really gonna help you. In the series, weekly 2 sessions varum and each session will have 10 questions to discuss. So totally we will discuss 20 questions a week. In the quiz sessions நம்ம only answers மட்டும் discuss பண்ண மாட்டோம். We are going to discuss the concept behind the answers. So you will not forget the answers forever. And if you spend 20 minutes twice a week in learning these MCQs, then I'm sure at the end of 3 or 4 months, you will be prepared at almost 80% for the exams. So then what you wait for? Immediately subscribe to Kanni's classes and press the bell icon nearby so that you will get a notification whenever I post a video. Also join the Telegram channel. I will give the link of the Telegram channel in the description box. In Telegram channel, I'm sharing simplified notes and also quizzes, and all those quizzes will be really exciting and useful. So come, let's discuss the questions. First question, fortification of food refers to A. Increase in the amount of existing nutrients in the food, compensating the lost nutrients, addition of a new nutrient to the food, or all of the above. We all know fortification. The word fortify means to strengthen. So here இங்க வந்து அதோட meaning வந்து making the food nutrient dense. So if you have studied the definition for food fortification, you will know it is the addition of a new nutrient to the food. அந்த ஃபுட்ல நம்ம வந்து ஏற்கனவே இருக்கிற நியூட்ரியண்ட்டை இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணவும் மாட்டோம், லாஸ் ஆன நியூட்ரியன்ஸை காம்பன்சேட் பண்ணி ஆட் பண்ணுறதும் ஃபோர்ட்டிஃபிகேஷன் கிடையாது. அதில் இல்லாத ஒரு நியூட்ரியண்ட்டை ஆட் பண்ணி அந்த ஃபுட்டோட நியூட்ரிட்டிவ் வேல்யூவை இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணுறது தான் fortification. So the answer will be addition of a new nutrient to the food. A very good and simple example for food fortification is fortification of iodine in salt. ஸோ அயடன் டெஃபிஷியன்சியை வந்து சரி பண்ணுறதுக்காக சால்ட் தான் வந்து காமன்லி டேக்கன் ஃபுட் அப்படிங்கிறதுனால சால்ட்டில் வந்து அயடனை ஃபார்ட்டிஃபை பண்ணாங்க, ஆட் பண்ணாங்க. ஸோ வி கெட் நவ் fortified iodine fortified salt to consume. The next is spooning of nails is an indicator of which deficiency? Calcium deficiency, vitamin K, vitamin C, or iron deficiency. Spooning of nails you can see in the picture where அந்த கையில் வந்து ஒரு சின்ன பள்ளம் மாதிரி இருக்கும், அந்த நகத்தில் ஒரு சின்ன பள்ளம் மாதிரி இருக்கும். That is called spooning of nails. So in which deficiency we get it? In calcium deficiency we have hypocalcemia. We will not have this spooning. And vitamin K deficiency we will have hemorrhage problems where the blood won't clot. And vitamin C deficiency we have scurvy and other kind of diseases. So only in iron deficiency there will be the spooning of nails. So the answer is iron deficiency. And another one more question which can be asked in the exam is that what is spooning of nails is called? This condition in the spooning of nails இருக்குல்ல, அந்த பள்ளமா இருக்கிற இந்த கண்டிஷனுக்கு பேரு ஒரு நேம் இருக்கு. The name is koilonkia. So they may ask this also. What the condition spooning of nails is called? You should be knowing that it is koilonkia. Third question, elimination diet refers to diet for obesity, diarrhea, diabetes mellitus, or celiac diseases. The word elimination diet itself says that some kind of food is totally avoided, in which case we will totally avoid certain kind of food. We will not do that in obesity, in diarrhea, or in diabetes mellitus, whereas celiac disease, it is a genetic disorder where the small intestine cannot digest the gluten present in the food. So in that case, we will give only gluten-free diet to the celiac diseased patients. So the answer will be celiac disease. Elimination diet refers to the diet for celiac diseases. Question number 4. The elemental calcium is to phosphorus ratio to be maintained in adolescents to prevent the chance of osteoporosis is 2:1, 1:3, 1:1 or 1:2. This is from RDA 2020. If you have studied recommended dietary allowances, then you will know that the calcium is to phosphorus ratio for the adolescents to prevent osteoporosis should be 1:1. So the answer is 1:1. Question number 5. Additives added to food to prevent the deterioration of food due to the presence of free metallic ions. Which additive is added to prevent the spoilage of food due to the presence of metallic ions? Stabilizers, firming agents, sequestrants or humectants? Stabilizers, usually stabilizers வந்து எதுக்கு ஆட் பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னா ஃபுட்டை ப்ரிசர்வ் பண்ணணும், அதோட ஃபிசிக்கல் ஸ்ட்ரக்சரை மெயின்டைன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு தான் ஸ்டெபிலைசர்ஸ் ஆட் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஃபர்மிங் ஏஜென்ட்ஸ் வந்து to retain the crispness of the food, they will add firming agents. Humectants is usually add to preserve the humidity content, that is the moisture content of the food, and sequestrants is added to avoid the spoilage of the food due to the presence of metallic ions. What happens is that these sequestrants will form a compound with the free metallic ions, and they will engage those metallic ions so that the food will not get spoiled. So sequestrants are also called chelating agents. Chelating is forming a compound with the metallic ions. Question number 6. The B vitamin which can be synthesized from the essential amino acid tryptophan is? This is a very direct question. If you have studied vitamins, you will know that it is niacin. So niacin is produced from the amino acid tryptophan. Another question that may ask in exam is that how much of tryptophan is needed to produce 1 milligram of niacin? It is 60 mg of tryptophan used to synthesize the niacin, 1 mg of niacin. Question number 7. An autosomal recessive disorder of copper metabolism, that is a genetic disorder in which excessive accumulation of copper occurs in the liver, central nervous system and kidney. The options are Wilson disease, hepatorenal syndrome, hepatic encephalopathy or none of the above. Hepatic encephalopathy is a nervous system disorder which is caused due to the liver disease, and hepatorenal syndrome, this is also caused due to the severe damage of the liver, a condition called cirrhosis, and here the kidney will get badly affected. And Wilson disease is a genetic disorder which is caused due to the inability of the body to metabolize copper, and because of this excess copper will get accumulated in liver, central nervous system and kidney. So in this condition what happens is that the brain of the person is completely affected. So the answer is Wilson's disease. Question number 8. Change of bright green color of chlorophyll to olive green during continuous cooking is due to disruption in the cell wall structure, displacement of magnesium by hydrogen molecule, formation of pheophytin, strengthening of structure of chlorophyll. The options are A, 1, 2 and 4, 1, 2 and 3, 3, 1 and 4, 2, 4 and 3. Here you can make a wise guess that 4 cannot be the option, because in the process of cooking you will apply heat, and when you apply heat the structure may not get strengthened. Usually the cell wall will get break when you apply heat in cooking. So 4 cannot be the option. So upon 4 option illa appdin sonnaka, we can exclude A, C and also D. So when these 3 are not the option, then B will be the option. So what happens in the change is that first the cell wall will get disrupted, then there will be a displacement of magnesium by hydrogen molecule and formation of pheophytin will occur. This pheophytin is responsible for the chlorophyll to change to olive green color. Here I have given a picture of leaf for a better understanding. We all know the leaf is very rich in chlorophyll. So chlorophyll rich இருக்கும்போது அது thick green colorல இருக்கும். When the chlorophyll is undergoing change, then what happens is that they will turn to olive green color, and later on further drying they will become a brown in color. So this is due to the conversion of chlorophyll to phaeophytin. Now the answer is D, that is 1, 2 and 3 are the reasons. Question number 9. Egg has nutrients or elements for the development of our body except niacin, protein, fat or water. The meaning of the question is that which is the nutrient that is not present in the egg? This is a very simple and direct question. We all know that egg is rich in protein and fat and water is also present in that. So niacin is the only nutrient which is not present in the egg and the answer is niacin. Question number 10. A disease of teeth is known as. The options are nyctalopia, pyorrhea, rickets and marasmus. Nyctalopia is also called night blindness, which is caused due to the vitamin A deficiency. So it is something related with vision. And rickets is caused due to vitamin D deficiency. And this is caused due to the reduced absorption of calcium and phosphorus. And the symptoms for rickets are delayed growth and bowed legs and all that. Marasmus is a condition of malnutrition which is caused due to the deficiency of macronutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. So, in this condition, the symptom will be the thinning of the limbs. ரொம்ப சோம்பி போயிருக்கும் அந்த காலெல்லாம் அதாவது marasmic condition சொல்லுவோம். So, pyorrhea is a condition where the gums will bleed. So, the answer will be D, pyorrhea. So this is the only option which is in connection with the teeth. So we can consider pyorrhea as the answer. So in this condition, the gums will get inflamed and there will be bleeding from the gums. So we have to note down that pyorrhea is also called periodontitis. They may ask in the exam. A disease of teeth is known as pyorrhea or periodontitis. Both conditions are the same. So with this we have seen all the 10 questions. Hope you are clear with the answers and also the concept behind the questions. So if you find this video useful, then immediately like the video and also subscribe to Kanni's classes and press the bell icon nearby so that you will get a notification whenever I post a video. Also join the Telegram channel. There I'll share the simplified notes for the UGC NET home science exams. And also I'll be sharing many exciting quizzes in that. I'll give the link of the Telegram channel in the description box. So that's all for this video, friends. Bye for now. Thank you.